Phantom is right now breaking out of this massive accumulation, and the chance that we could see a massive explosion is there. In this video I will talk about Phantom and share my price prediction with potential price targets. And either if you're heavily invested or at the sideline right now, I will tell you potential buy areas to get into a long position on Phantom. So let's go straight into the content. So as you can see, after we got this longer bearish trend, we then came into this massive accumulation phase, and with this last two weekly candles we found acceptance over this last high. And this is a very bullish sign, because if we are closing over this last high, the chance for a massive explosion is there. And as you can see, this new weekly candle is starting perfectly to the upside, and I think the chance is really high that we will see massive higher prices for Phantom in the next weeks. And the next really interesting price target is this high right here at $1.68, because after we built this high we saw this massive move to lower levels, and if we're breaking this one to the upside and find acceptance again over there, then of course the next really interesting price target on the weekly time frame is the all-time high. The best altcoins are also exploding over the last all-time high, and I think Phantom has the chance. And I also talked about potential price targets in another video of Phantom. But the most important is that we are in a bullish order flow again on the weekly time frame. And from the prices right now to this kind of price target, we would have potential over 100%, which is really good for a big coin like Phantom. So I'm really bullish right now on Phantom, especially if Bitcoin is also going to the upside. So we look for a potential price target, and now we are looking for a potential buy zone for Phantom. And as I said, we are right now in a bullish structure with higher lows and higher highs. And I think the chance is also high that we go directly to even higher prices. So I think this kind of price area is already a great chance to get into a potential long trade on Phantom. But if we would see even lower prices, then I would have a look at this demand zone right here. Because from this demand zone we saw this push into this new high. We also broke this last interesting weekly high to the upside. So if we come back into this zone, the chance that we could see a potential bullish trend continuation is there. So if we come back into this zone and see a bullish reaction on the smaller time frame, then I think it's definitely a great area to get into a potential long trade on Phantom. But if we would see even lower prices, then I would have a look at this demand zone right here. Because after this longer consolidation, we then started this bullish move to the upside. We also retested it with this wick. And if we are looking at the VRVP, you can see that we have the point of control in this demand zone, that we have the most traded volume right here. So I think the chance is high if we come back into this zone, that the chance is really high that we could see a bounce to the upside again. And if you want to get daily updates on the crypto market or altcoins like Phantom, then join my free Telegram group. You'll find a link in the description. So all in all guys, Phantom looks really bullish. We broke out of this massive accumulation, and I think the chance for a bullish explosion is there. The next really interesting price target is this weekly high right here at $1.68. And if we are seeing lower prices again, then I would look at this or this demand zone to get into a potential long trade. So guys, thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading, and see you in the next one.